Yo, what's going on, guys? My portfolio just keeps going lower and lower. All my favorite stocks are getting whacked today. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But yeah, here are all my stocks right here. I'm down on all of them now, which is unfortunate. But today I bought 2 shares of DocuSign and 1 share of ticker symbol PERI. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I bought some TLTW, but that was only $53. But anyway, I'm going to show you some of my favorite stocks that actually just got like destroyed today. I couldn't believe it. Like, let's go ahead and look. Obviously, we know what happened to end phase. Yeah, who knows? Alpine, ticker symbol PINE. That REIT got hit today. Regis Financial, the bank. It looks like a lot of banks got hit today. I'm not sure what happened there. Cloudflare. I own some Cloudflare in my Webull portfolio. Let me zoom out and see if I can find it. Yeah, so I own 17 shares at $71, and this one just fell 5% today. So that doesn't feel good either. So yeah, so why did I make my Mumu portfolio? It's because on my Robinhood portfolio, it just literally goes down every single day and day. Because look, remember, all I own in there is ticker symbol EXR extra space storage. That's the only stock I own in there. And basically for the past year, it's literally gone down. It has. It just hit a new like 2 year low today. This sucks for me in that portfolio, but it still doesn't change my thesis behind it. But I don't even look at that portfolio anymore, and that's why I actually made my Mumu portfolio. I just wanted to reset. I wanted a new portfolio to look at. Even though these stocks are down, they're barely down. It's only like I'm only down $32 out of the $833 it's worth. But yeah, I'm gonna keep buying. And hey, if you want to follow my journey, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe because I'm never gonna sell these stocks. And so if you come back in a couple months, all these stocks should be the same. But yeah, also you should sign up for Moomoo because right now, if you want to just make a new portfolio and just reset, you should do what I did. Start a Moomoo account and just invest some new stocks in there. If you sign up with my code linked in the description, you'll get up to 16 free stocks. Like I got a free share of Kraft Heinz and a free share of Ford, and I sold those both for like 20 bucks each, and a couple other stocks, but they're worth like $2 each. And I think if you deposit $100, you'll get a free $50 deposit bonus, but you can't withdraw it, but you can buy stocks with it. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, with that being said, let's actually go see what happened in the market today. What went up? What's going down? Yo, Bitcoin is up today. That's the one thing that is up, which is weird, which is kind of a risk asset. Most risk assets are down. Bitcoin's actually up 2.95%, and Ethereum is too, obviously. There was some news around Coinbase that they might get a real ETF approval, like even closer than BlackRock, but who knows? There's always been that sort of, news around them. Philip Morris, this is a dividend stock. This one is, look at their market cap, $143 billion, and they're yielding nearly 6%. This one's doing great. They have a huge market cap. I think they're better than Mo, in my opinion. Even Robinhood is up today. Yo, what the heck? But let's actually go see what stocks are down today. This is just nuts what's happening in the market today. Fiverr, who knows Fiverr? What's up with this stock? I forgot I even had this one on my watch list. Yo, let's do some analysis on Fiverr because they gotta have some good margins, right? Like, so let's actually do some analysis on Fiverr. So the market cap is $865 million. So let's actually do my typical analysis. Whoa, they're cash flow positive. They're actually so this is good. Like, let me go look at the actual numbers. Look at this. They made $18 million. This is before the expenses. Because if we go to net income, hey, they made 227K. But look, this is like the first time they're actually very close to profitable. Look at this. Fiverr is very close to profitable. The numbers actually aren't bad here, but yet the stock is at an all-time low. The leverage ratio is down from 1 year ago by a couple percent. Let's see how much cash they have. So total debt of 454, cash of 162. Like, what's the problem? What changed here that yo, this one could potentially be a buy. The property plant equipment is down, but who really cares? They have a goodwill. Oh yeah, let's see what their stock is doing. Have they been issuing stock? No, they really haven't. Only 1.71% diluted over 1 year. Yo, Fiverr might actually be a buy. I'm gonna add this one to another watch list and come back to this one later, yo. Another potential investment I wanted to talk to you guys about, and it could be why dividend stocks are falling, is actually because of ticker symbol TLT or the US 20-year Treasury bond. It's literally correlated exactly with the US 20-year Treasury bond. It's just BlackRock that manages it in an ETF form, and they collect a small 0.15% expense ratio, but it's literally the exact same thing. So when yields go up, like the dividend yield goes up for treasury bonds, the price of it has to go down. So what a lot of people don't know is, yes, you lock in the yield, but if you buy it now, you also get the capital appreciation. Like back over here was, look, this was March 2020. Remember what interest rates were? If they go back to those interest rate times, you would not only get the locked in yield, but you would get the capital appreciation, which would be huge, like $83 of a stock price, but now it goes up to 150. That's huge gains, and you locked in the dividend yield. So a lot of people don't know that about treasury bonds, which is really cool. So they're actually really attractive. And with this TLT, it's completely liquid. Like you can buy and sell out at any time. There's tons of volume. Today there was 52 million, and you actually get the monthly income, the monthly dividend, which is pretty cool as well. So you get the monthly cash flow, and it's literally US Treasury bonds, which is the safest investment. Of course, nothing in this video is personal financial advice at any way for you. Of course, do your own research. I'm just some random person spitting out nonsense on YouTube. So yeah, that was my little talk about bonds. Why the US 20-year Treasury is actually pretty attractive, and I'm actually buying that. I didn't buy that. I bought TLTW, which sells covered calls on it. And right now, of course, it's following the price of TLT, which just hit a 52-week low or multi-year low, 2006 level lows. So did this one. Well, this one hasn't been out that long, but they sell covered calls on the TLT. This is also owned by BlackRock. This one has an expense ratio of 0.35%. As you can see, the dividend yield is 19.63% right now. The dividend yield is crazy. So for every $27 you call it, you'll get 28 cents that month. You'll get between 28 and, hey, this month it was 53 cents. So who knows, if you like dividend income, this one could be pretty cool. You maybe put it in a Roth IRA. So yeah, there's a lot of sectors that are very interest rate sensitive, and not only can you bet on interest rates going up, which is through TLTW and TMF, there are some stocks that just benefit from the high interest rate environments, like BDCs, which just like REITs have to pay out 90% of their taxable income. Here's basically the largest BDC. Look how they're doing. They're at the super high stock price, and they're at the super high dividend yield as well, still at the super high stock price because of the 90% payout ratio rule. But I also like ticker symbol RWAY. This one's a bit smaller in market cap, 482 million, but they're actually making so much money that every quarter they're even paying these special dividends out of 5 cents. But yeah, that's not what this video was about. I hope you guys did enjoy though. If y'all want to see my breakdown of the analysis on all 4 of these stocks, check out my portfolio review up here. I go deep into why DocuSign is a steal, and as well as Perry and Bill. Bill very much benefits from the high interest rate environment. Let me just show you this just because I'm having fun here. So look, they made $113 million on interest held for customers in 2023. If we switch that to 2022, they only made $9 million. So they're just taking the customer funds they have on hold and milking the high interest rate yields with this. So they 10x this portion of the revenue, and all that money they make, that money's pure profit. So yeah, hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Hey, if you leave a comment, I promise I'll respond. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.